Hi, welcome back to English 111 Online. This week, view my video as you're doing right now. Read pages 9 through 16 and pages 17 through 29 in the Little Seagull Handbook. That way you can get an understanding of the writing process and development of paragraphs. Read pages 1 through 14 in Rereading America for an understanding of critical thinking and critical reading as it applies to our textbook and to this course. Read the Introduction to Lean In by Sheryl Sandberg. Now, if you do not have the book, I have put a link on here where you can, let me scroll down and see it. This right here, the Introduction to Lean In by Sheryl Sandberg. So you can, that's a website that has the introduction to the book on it. So if you do not have the book, it's not a problem. You can just read the introduction from there. And read one of the readings concerning the lean in. And so the three choices are why I want women to lean in, this one, why men need to lean in too, and why Sandberg matters for all women. So just choose one of those, 1, 2, 3, of those articles to read to complete the activity for this week. View the slideshow presentation on writing an essay. Read the document on fragments and read the document on sentences and comma splices because your inquisitive activities this week relate to fragments and fused sentences. The graded assignment for this week is to complete the journal for topic sentence development, take the quiz, and then work on the next 3 assigned inquisitive activities. You have till September the 12th to do that. Let's see. Here is the video or the slideshow presentation that you need to look at for writing an essay. And go back to last week and review the slideshow presentation on audience purpose and tone. And then here's the quiz that goes with that. It's a pretty short quiz. All the answers are right there in those slideshow presentations, and I think you'll find it pretty easy. In addition to the readings, you'll need to do this journal. The journal is to help you develop a body paragraph using topic sentences. So the journal says, once you click on it, you'll see, why does Sandberg want women to lean in? So you could choose that one if you choose that article about Sandberg leaning in, wanting women to lean in. Why is the message of lean in important for all women from all walks of life and even for all people? That's the article on lean in, why lean in or Sandberg matters for all women. And then why do men also need to read Sandberg's message would be the question for why men need to lean in too. So choose one of those readings, one of these questions that goes with the reading, and then write a body paragraph that begins with a topic sentence and includes at least 3 details from the article that helped you answer the question. So again, we're just choosing one question, one article, and when you get ready to start or edit your journal entry, you click here, and then you'll be able to type your information right in the box there. So it's like a little document that you type in. When you finish typing here, you can click Save Changes, and then when you will be able to go back in there later and excuse me for yawning. You'll be able to go back in there later and edit it if you want to. So that's one of assignment is to do the journal. The other, get back to my page here, complete the journal for topic sentence development. That's that one. Take the quiz, and that's down here under the tab for graded assignments. So there's the quiz. And then complete the inquisitive exercises for fragments and fused or run-on sentences by September 12th. And so that's why I have these documents on here about fragments and fused sentences and comma splices, to give you some background before you start those inquisitive activities. You can also look in your Little Seagull handbook and find information on sentence fragments and fused sentences and comma splices also. So that's what we're doing for this week. And if you have any questions, contact me and I'll be glad to help you. If you need anything at all from me, some of you had some questions about inquisitive, but I think pretty much everybody understood that sooner or later you've got to purchase the code for inquisitive, unless you can finish all of those quizzes during the trial period. If you're going to use the trial period now, when the trial period is up, it will prompt you to enter the code then. So contact me if you need anything, and I will be glad to help you. There's a lot of reading and a lot of material for this week, but I think you'll understand what to do once you get through reading everything that's here for you to read. Next week, we'll have our first essay assigned. So this information on how to write an essay is good background for you to have when we launch into the actual first essay that we'll be writing next week. So have a great week, and contact me if you need any help at all. Thanks.